Hey, yo, T-Bone, I'm ready, man. I'm pumped. No, seriously, hacktivist mode, activate. Hey, man, how do we get Bloom?
What? Hold on to your joystick, son. You kids are gonna need to work your way up to Bloom, even with me helping.
Bray, are you briefing him without me? We were supposed to do that together.
No, I just didn't want to trouble you.
What trouble? No trouble. Come on, Marcus. Let's brief. Okay. So,
Let's look at the big shot data harvester, our friends at Nudle. Now, every time you search for a discount refrigerator or bulldozer pouring, they learn more and more about you.
Data profiling 101.
Right. But what you didn't know was that Bloom's already got their grubby paws all over that data.
Oh, shit. Oh, this is good, Satara. Noodle's data is just what Bloom needs to strengthen the bellwether, dig their puppet strings in deeper. You know, if we could get a hold of this ammunition, we could take down a whole lot of different targets.
I can help with that. You can't hack Nudle unless you get into the server farm. You can't get into the server farm without clearance. Hell, you can't even get on the grounds unless you're an employee there. Who the hell you think Rob Zombie over here gets his intel from?
Tell me you got clearance.
Oh, man, I'm trying to stay low-key right now. One of my leads is breathing down my neck.
I bet you Marcus can pose as an employee.
Oh, he could do more than pose as an employee, Satara. Tell him what you told me, Horatio.
Noodle buses. I snagged an exploit for credentials. I could get you to the buses. All you gotta do is drive it in. They'll think you're one of the bus drivers.
Shit. Yo, let's roll, son.
All right.
Hey.
Let's do this.
Hey.
All right. You ready? Let's roll.
Oh my God, how are you?
So great. And you?
Never been better. Drinks next week.
No, man.
Know
Pick
it.
a different
See
one.
you then.
I punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee.
Beautiful.
All right, man. Let me just say right off the top, I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you.
Okay, now where's the GPS?
Hey, sit down.
I got, man, come
All right,
on.
all right, just... All right. GPS. I know where the GPS is. Up. Got it.
There you go.
Okay.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Hey there.
Hey.
Horatio! What are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer. I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat. And you haven't tried my juice. I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all. This is brutal. I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar, smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up with fruit, veg, superfoods. Superfoods? Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but goji berries are as much a superfood as grapes are. It's a marketing buzzword designed to rope in consumers. No offense.
Awkward.
You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
Hey there. Stayed late last night? Yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I'd rather starve next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland.
My spicy tuna roll was anything but.
Oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally?
I could think of some worse things. Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
What is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Oh, man, welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people?
What?
Mr. President?
Hey, man, they see two of us together, they gonna think we plotting.
We are plotting.
Oh, no. Say that again? Oh, okay.
Hey, long time no see.
Man, I feel so...
What?
exposed.
Hey, Horatio.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough. But hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the Valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the brother in a meeting and have to represent all of Blackburn. Jesus, if I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Nudle Maps
Hey,
building.
Horatio.
You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery. Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate. There to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin,
Brody.
big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to, where you've been looking, who you've been talking
Trying to get
to.
a coffee.
What was that?
Just trying to get a coffee.
Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee. Watch it! Are you new here?
Yeah.
Punk would love to lay his ass out. I can't stand that motherfucker. Hey, Becky.
Gentlemen.
He's been watching my ass since the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR?
You think he's got something on you?
Damn it. Do you have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
All right.
Pomegrapples.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the 2nd floor of Nudle Maps, but watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
Flag. I could take that value and input and apply it globally.
Oh, man. Oh, no, don't tell me. Oh.
Whoa, that's weird.
Strive for synergy in all things, and success will follow.
You've been randomly selected.
What's going on?
Would you allow me to scan you? Compiling data. How are you doing? Thanks for your participation.
Access has been logged.
Ha! Ништяк.
Please allow me to scan you. Compiling data.
I guess I should go see HR and find
The
out what
scan
that
was
desk is.
interrupted.
I can't believe this is my job now. This is my life now. No time for screwing around. Got to get to work.
Hello. Just a moment of your time, if you don't mind. This will be painless, I assure you. You've been randomly selected. My scan was terminated before concluding.
What is happening? Huh. You catch that? Ooh! Ah!
Dude, what are you doing? We never talked about this!
Base to control. Be on alert. Possible targets near your location.
We got one of those militarized hackers here. Send us a couple more cars. Track him down! Quick, over there!
What the? Oh!
What? Looks like it's dead, so you better send some more guys, just in case.
He's injured!
It's one of those hackers. Send some cars, he might have explosives. Commencing sweep!
Weird. I don't. Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh no! Someone call 911! Freaking kidding me. Oh, I don't believe it.
I don't see him! Damn!
All right, I am now Miss Laura Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps?
If you've got her ID, you should be able to just walk right in.
Don't let your guard down!
He's gone!
Oh no, no!
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, what the hell?
Noodle map security don't fool around, so watch yourself.
Hey, this is Lord Kim you're talking to.
Alarm has been triggered. Sending local operatives. I think he got through. Let's close it up here. Synthesize.
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft. Hey, bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
Satara, it's a dead end. I need Horatio's code to get into the server farm. Any luck finding him?
Got his GPS, but he's not responding.
They got things wired up pretty tight here. That's it. Noodle's data is now dead sex data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see it.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
I'm sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel. Yes. You tracked the keystrokes? I see. Thank you. Mr. Carlin, I am so sorry. Apparently, we've made a huge mistake.
What a surprise.
My apologies.
Yo.
You are free to go.
I'm just glad you finally got it right.
Whoa, this is a mistake. I mean,
Mr. Goodale, take a seat.
I don't think that...
Sit down.
Horatio, that was intense. You good?
I'm better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the Noodle bus. Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you into an exterior access.
Nice, thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but this shit's got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the fuck out of me.
Oh, come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad.
Shut
Horatio.
Hey, enjoy the dump, but save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code to... Code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palma Grapple? It was good, right?
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information. Now, tell me everything you know about DedSec.
Huh.